Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you a pumpkin recipe. It is pumpkin muffins. I had made pumpkin cupcakes a while back with some cream cheese frosting, but today I'm sharing with you a healthier recipe. It is pumpkin muffins, and there's no sugar, there's maple syrup, and there's some oats, so it is fairly healthy. So I will have the recipe linked in the description box if you want to see the full ingredients and the process and everything. But I will go over everything that's in it and share the process as well. So here are the ingredients that you will need. You are going to need about 3 cups of old-fashioned oats, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice. I have my own seasoning that I made, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and then you are going to need 2 eggs, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1 cup of pumpkin puree. So this is pure pumpkin, not the pumpkin pie filling, 3 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, and then you will need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now unfortunately I ran out of vanilla extract, so I will need to be buying it, so I'm not going to be adding that to mine. And you are also going to need 1/2 cup of maple syrup as well. So now I'm going to get ready into making it, and I'm going to use coconut oil to spray my pans. I'm not going to use any of the muffin cups, the paper ones, the baking sheet ones. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my oven on to 375 to preheat, and I'm going to spray my muffin pan, and I'm using my Pampered Chef stone. So I added my oats into the blender, and I'm going to blend it until I get a flour consistency. So you could also use substitute oat flour for the oats. Wanted to pop on here to let you guys know that this video is part of a collaboration that is hosted by Tiffany from Small Town 6. I will have Tiffany's channel linked down below, as well as the playlist, and Tiffany had asked us to create a recipe using a pumpkin, whether it's fresh, canned, frozen, it doesn't matter as long as there is a pumpkin in the recipe. So this is what I'm doing, so keep watching. So just to show you what it looks like, so that's done. And now I'm going to add pumpkin spice, baking soda, and sea salt, and I will pulse it until the mixture is evenly combined. So now I'm going to add my eggs into a separate mixing bowl. My pumpkin, some coconut oil, my almond milk, and my maple syrup. So pretty much all the wet ingredients. And I'm going to take my handheld mixer and mix it until it's combined. would help if I plugged it in. Now I'm going to add my dry ingredients, and I'm going to fold it in. So you don't want to over mix it, you just want to make sure that it's just combined. Now I'm going to measure it out. I'm not actually measuring it, I'm just going to divide it into these cups, and I'm using my little scoop, ice cream scooper, or the batter scooper. What do you call it? Do you call it a batter scooper or an ice cream scooper? Alrighty, I think that's as even as it's gonna get. And now it's going to go into the oven for, it says 15 to 18 minutes. However, because this is stone, it'll probably take me around 20 minutes. And like I mentioned before, the oven was preheated to 375 Fahrenheit. So here they are, I'm just cooling them off. Somebody already helped themselves out. Well, I hope you had enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're stopping by my channel for the very first time, I would love it if you considered subscribing, pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.